Hey, I just made some Oobleck. A minute ago I tried recording a video of mixing it all together, but when I checked my camera, the video was not there. So that was disappointing, but let me do a quick video of just playing around with it. You need just cornstarch and water. Only 2 ingredients. Mix it up at a ratio of 1 part water to 1.5 to 2 parts cornstarch. And for me, it was closer to, let's see, I used more water, so it was closer to 1 part water to 1.5 parts cornstarch. Just had a little water left over from, anyway, so you go in slowly. You can see it's liquidy. But if you hit it hard, it's a different story. Hope I'm not waking up my neighbors late at night. This sinks in. Right? But you can also just stab. Oh, in case you can't really see, this is a pretty big bowl, right? So it's about filled that deep, right? 2 to 3 inches, and if you hit it, it doesn't go down much at all. But just let it sink in, and it goes in. Try to grab a bunch of it. I remember seeing some videos on YouTube where they tried to make a ball of it. Well, actually they have the whole swimming pool, and when they make a ball of it, it'll only stay together for a few seconds. Let's see what happens here. Press it hard. Yeah, stays together for a bit and then just melts away. You can try to squeeze it down into a ball. Keep squeezing it. Keep squeezing it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And it turns into goo. See? I bet my sleeping neighbors love this. It almost looks like I'm pulling my hand back really quick, but no, I am actually hitting it, and it's stopping it. See, when it first hits, it'll kind of bounce, sort of. It's a little too soft to bounce hard, but you can tell by the noise when it first hits that it's not going in softly. It hits hard, and then sinks a second later. Yeah, see, about there, I start sinking. Okay, fun stuff. Try it yourself. Yahoo!